Hello people, today I wanted to talk about the V-Ray displace map. When you work with render engine V-Ray, in viewport you probably may not see it, but I will show you one of my renders, because I rendered yesterday and I wanted to show you my final projects. This is one of my projects. Actually, I have to apply displace modifier because we have open edges. That is not correct, but the displace itself is working fine. I will show you. I used also depth of field. The best picture is that one. I rendered in 2K resolution, but I got lots of RAM. Keep in mind that 3ds Max is using lots of RAM. I got 56 gigabytes of memory. Yesterday when I rendered that thing with displaced map, it took up to 32 gigabytes of memory. Okay, I will show you another project. This is the bench, which I have rendered yesterday. Concrete brick as well. What else? The floor. Yesterday I rendered that project. And today I will quickly show you. Maybe using one of the concrete object. This has texture applied on it, but I know website when you can download open source textures, because they will work inside the 3ds Max and inside Blender. And in a minute, I would like to show you how to use those texture maps. Ambient CG. I will have to find out about one concrete area. I don't have that one. We can download 2K resolution. And I will show you. Concrete. We have different various maps. They seem to be beautiful and they are open source and free of charge. And I will show you how to use them inside 3ds Max. Actually, I got that map. I didn't know that I downloaded, so I didn't have to download. I didn't have to download. We have displacement. We have normal map as well. Displacement, black and white. Roughness map as well. I wonder if this is possible to connect roughness map inside 3ds Max. If you lack of space, you can use condensed material editor slots. If you lack of space, some maps, well, wait a minute, some maps did not disappear. Oh, this only works when you have full slots. Okay, I will apply. Actually, you can hit that button instead. Thanks, concrete. But you have to hit once again after when you add the new map. Now we scroll down by mouse button. We choose Diffuse Map first. And keep in mind that you have to go to V-Ray option. because you have to choose V-Ray bitmap. This is quite important when you apply textures. Now we start choosing a color texture. Then we use glossiness. I'm thinking if glossiness or reflection is to do with roughness, because I'm not sure what we got here. This is inactive. Okay, this place I will set value to 2. Maybe I will choose this place instead. Very big map. But you have to switch to main window and assign material to selection once again. Metalness. What maps have we got? I don't know where to connect the roughness map. I'm thinking to connect to glossiness, but I'm not sure. I will check if this is okay, because I got this map as well. I think this should be working okay. I would like to check if my render will be working okay. I want to tell camera where to focus. Sometimes it's hard to select objects when you have split view. And now I will have to check also if you want to apply depth of field. If you want to turn this on, we can change zoom factor where it stops, because we want depth of field to stop in a certain area, probably in the middle. Oh, that is perfect. I will choose this narrow area. Zoom factor. I think if I set like that, that should be okay. Shutter speed, F number. I think I should be okay if I use that value, and now we will start rendering. Hopefully this will not cause open broke caster to work improperly. Because I'm using graphics card, this shouldn't have taken too long, but it can probably eat up lots of memory, people. But I installed lots of memory, so I should be okay. But there is option that you can reduce memory usage, and I will probably publish video tutorial about that. Oh no, I will have to place like position, so you can see displace map back there. I will have to place my sun object. Because sun object is not placed properly, I have to position it. Sorry people, I've forgotten to quickly mention about that. So you can see back there, you can see exactly what I'm doing. I will save. Actually, to be honest with you, render does not take too long. I will have to check how long render will take, because I'm using quite a powerful graphics card. Does it tell? No, why in... Oh yes. This has 8 gigabytes of video memory. You should see cracks. You can see beautiful cracks, but the only issue is I did not use the proper value of depth of field. I will have to change depth of field, maybe a little bit higher. 2 and 2.4. Now you should be able to see much sharper details. I will definitely need to check people what the results will be like, because I did not use proper value. Make sure that you have a graphics card, really powerful graphics card, and also if you have got lots of memory, because I got other objects in the scene. I'm not happy because after changing aperture I got darker scene, but you can fix that. Let's check sun object, because I can change some settings. Intensity multiplier. Now the scene should be brighter. Sorry people that I didn't show you straight away. I just wanted to change intensity multiplier because I want to show you final result, because my render also looks clean because of open image denoise. You can see there are no noise. There is no noise in one of my scene, because I use the open image denoise, Intel open image denoise. Oh, this seems to be brighter. I should have changed also sky intensity. Oh, we have cracks. To fix that, I think I will have to assign modifier. Okay. V-ray displacement. There is option keep continuity. I watched the video tutorial and one guy told about keep continuity. That is why I have seen open cracks. I will move this object a little bit so you can see back there. This place. Instance. Now I should be able to render without any problems. Don't change anything. Just use option keep continuity. I hope this should be working okay. I forgotten about this option, people, because many people had this issue. I found a very interesting video tutorial how to fix that issue. Oh, why this looks like that? I probably have to change some settings. Edge length. That is strange, because I probably did not use proper value. I think it should be working properly now. I forgotten to check that setting. I have to check the temperature of my processor, because I got some options. I turned on some settings in my motherboard, so the temperature seems to be quite high. Tell me guys if 50 plus degrees is okay to work in 3D graphics. Oh, now we have proper boom map, proper displacement, but I still have to decrease value because it seems to be too high. Maybe edge length. Okay, I changed a little bit settings because it was too high. Can you tell me in comment section if 64 plus degrees is okay or not, because I turned on precision boost overdrive of my AMD Ryzen CPU, and I think hopefully this temperature was okay. Okay, now we have proper result, and our render shouldn't take long. I should check time. No, this should not take too long because I decreased some of the values. And I have to check my graphics card, but my graphics card is using plenty of resources, unfortunately. I got too many objects in the scene. Oh, I have to check temperature because now application will be using open image denoise at the end. Oh, now is being used open image denoise, but we have final render, and I will say this has been rendered to 2K resolution. Can you tell me, people, if you know, if I can connect roughness map in V-Ray? Because in Blender, it is possible to use ambient occlusion map and roughness map. If you know in comment section, please let me know. Okay, I will show you my final render. This is my final render. I hope you like my video tutorial and have a nice day, guys.